Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of industries, and we have taken this topic from geography for class 10, and this topic is also included in the curriculum of 8th standards. So let us start the topic. Industries are classified on the basis of following criteria. पहला क्राइटेरिया क्या है? On the basis of raw materials. On the basis of raw material. Agro-based industry and mineral-based industry. Agro-based industry में क्या क्या आता है? Cotton, woolen, jute, silk, rubber, sugar, tea, coffee and edible oil. ये एग्रो बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज में आ जाती हैं. और उसके बाद है दूसरा, दैट इज़ मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज. मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री में आयरन एंड स्टील, सीमेंट, मशीन टूल्स, ये मिनरल बेस्ड इंडस्ट्रीज में आ जाती हैं. और उसके बाद दूसरी क्लासिफिकेशन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रोल प्लेड बाय देम. ऑन द बेस, पहला था ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल, दूसरा ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रोल प्लेड बाय देम, द रोल प्लेड बाय द इंडस्ट्रीज. बेसिक और की इंडस्ट्रीज. नाउ let's understand what are basic or key industries. Industries which supply their products as raw materials to other industries. For example, iron and steel industry, copper smelting, aluminium smelting. These are the iron and steel industries, copper industry. They are the basic industries because they supply their products as raw materials to other industries. That is why they are called the basic or key industries. Number second, consumer industries. Industries which produce goods for direct consumer use. They are the industries which produce the goods for direct consumer use. For example, sugar industry, toothpaste, pans, etc., etc. They are the consumer industries. That is on the basis of role played by the industries are basic or key industries, and number second is consumer industries. And number third criteria, on the basis of the capital investment. Small scale and large scale. What are small scale? Small scale industries are industries with investment up to 1 crore. That is the small scale industry. Large scale industry, industries with investment above 1 crore. They are the large scale industries. On the basis of ownership. On the basis of ownership. Public sector, they are owned and operated by the government. For example, BHEL and SEL, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. It is public sector. And Steel Authority of India, they are public sector because they are owned and operated and controlled by the government. Private sector, owned and operated by the individuals or group of individuals. They are the private sector industries. For example, TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company, Dabur Industries and Bajaj Auto Limited. They are private sector industries. Joint sector venture. Joint sector venture. Joint sector venture simply means jointly run by the state and individuals. Jointly run by the state and individuals. That is Oil India Limited, OIL, Oil India Limited. They are the joint. That means jointly run by the state, run by the government and individuals or group of individuals. Such industries are called the joint venture industries. Example of joint venture is Oil India Limited. And on the basis of ownership, last group of industry is last classification is the cooperative sector. They are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials. Workers are both. They pool in the resources and share the profits or losses proportionately, such as the sugar industry in Maharashtra. Cooperative sector, they are the industries. Cooperative sector industries are those industries which are owned and operated by the producers, or suppliers of raw material. Workers are both, and these suppliers of raw material or these producers, they pool in the resources and share the profits, and also they share the losses proportionately. Example is the sugar industry in Maharashtra. On the basis of now last criteria, on the basis of bulk and weight of raw materials, heavy industries and light industries. Heavy industries are those industries in which large machines, heavy materials are used to produce products like automobiles, construction machinery. They are the heavy industries. Light industries, industries that produce light utility goods. Those industries which produce light utility goods. For example, toy industry. For example, electrical industry. That was all about today's topic. Thank you very much.